Okay guys, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This time I'm doing a box 2011-2012 Panini Pinnacle that ended last night on eBay. That would be March 12th between, I think it was 8:45 and 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The last team was Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 9:14 p.m. Current eBay time is 1:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time the next day. So I'm doing the break right now, putting it all up, and I'm going to release all the links shortly after. This is the last one I have to do here. Serial number down below is NE953511112. I'll show you that right now. You can't really see the second 9. I just scratched out 993511112. Yeah, you actually can't see it now. No problem. This is, of course, a sealed box of Pinnacle. I'll do it another way. For those of you who haven't been participating in my break slot or don't know, I do have a newsletter that you can subscribe to on my website. So if you guys want to try to do that, I can let you know of all the new things I'm doing. One of which is I'm going to pre-sell a lot of the teams before I release them on eBay as a combo break. So what this means is if you want just Nashville, Detroit, Colorado, whoever, you can basically just buy it right off my website. And then you get that secured for the whole day, week, whatever you want. And yeah, it's a great option for team collectors. And then on eBay, I will put the rest of them up, and they will go at whatever the auction price is. So the prices on the website are actually the average ending auction price. So what I'll do is I'll grab 5 boxes, find the average prices of them all, and then that's what I set the price as. So you are getting already the eBay closing prices on average. And away we go. Base, 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 base. Base, 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 base. Adam rookie for the New Jersey Devils. People on Blog TV messaging me right now, base, base, and base. I can't really reply too much. It's what's Riddler 99 right there on the screen. I'm doing this video. It's getting recorded for the YouTube for the eBay crowd too. Base, 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 base. Andrew Ladd for the Winnipeg Jets. Pinnacle breakthrough. Decoy, base, base, and base. I just won't read out the base because there's so many for Pinnacle here. There always are some nice hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 base cards. One, two, three, 4. Joe Vitale, Pinnacle rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins. 1, 2, 3 base cards. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 base with a decoy. One, 2, 3, 4, and a Brett Balmer rookie for the Minnesota Wild. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5 base, a decoy. 1, 2, and 3. So 8 base total there. It does say 8 cards per pack. Try to make this video a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 base cards. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 base cards again. Pinnacle can be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 base cards. Four. We have a Ben Scrivens for the Leafs. Rookie. 2, 3. Let's a good rookie to get, actually. Scribs is going very popular right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a Threads. Pinnacle Threads of Travis Zajac, the New Jersey Devils. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a Game Night for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Not a bad one to get. Sidney Crosby. Sidney Crosby Game Night. 1, 2, and 3. No, I do not send any base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decoy, base, base, and base. 1, 2, oh, backwards, 3, 4, and 5, and oh, we have a private signings. Huh. Silver private signings. Is that platinum one? I honestly don't know. Ryan Nugent Hopkins private signings. Rookie private signings. Boom. There you go. Who says Pinnacle can't deliver? RN2, sorry. There is no 101 stamp or anything like that. I thought it might be because it was a little bit different. Didn't see that one coming. Base, base, and base. One, 2, 3, 4. We have a base new effects parallel of Tyler Ennis for the Buffalo Sabres. Decoy, base, base, and base. That's a huge hit. I don't know what it's worth, but I'm sure it's not cheap, that card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pinnacle, Nikolai Habibulin. Nikolai Kulemin, sorry. For the Toronto Maple Leafs. Pinnacle breakthrough. Base, base, and base. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decoy. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. We have a Marty McSorley for the Oilers. Tough times. And a few more base. So we got a Crosby and a Ryan Nugent Hopkins. Pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a Canvas Creations, another Crosby. Decoy, base, base, and base. Solid box of Pinnacle. I think we have pretty good luck with it, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decoy, 6, 7, 8 base. Four. Oh, that's interesting. Didn't realize that's what it is. Oh, that's actually something different, isn't it? Huh, never seen this one before. It's getting shipped, though. Sidney Crosby, Pittsburgh Penguins with a cutout? I've never actually seen these cards. So, it's getting shipped. Base, base, and base. One, 2, 3, 4. We have a Corey Perry breakthrough for the Anaheim Ducks. And a few base in the pack. So that's it for the box of Pinnacle. I'm going to wrap this up. And again, remind you guys, you can pre-buy all your teams for the day, for the week. And that way they will not be released on eBay. So just a little heads up. And they will be average eBay prices. So you're going to save your time, grief, getting sniped, everything like that. Alright guys, have a good one.